Today I'm in the kitchen cooking up a little New Year's Eve cocktail. I want to do something that is as pretty as it is delicious. So I have created a recipe today for a beautiful layered blood orange rose lemonade. It starts with a homemade blood orange simple syrup, and then you layer that with rose lemonade and vodka and top it with my favorite La Marca Prosecco. It's so good. To start my blood orange simple syrup, I'm going to squeeze the juice out of 2 whole blood oranges. Take a half cup of sugar, a half cup of filtered water, and stir together over heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add the juice of your 2 blood oranges and bring your entire mixture up to a boil. Then lower it to a simmering heat and wait for your mixture to thicken. All you need to know to create your own layered cocktail recipe is that your drink ingredients need to have different weights and the heaviest thing goes on the bottom. I'm starting with my blood orange syrup. See how thick it is? The density will help ensure your layered look. Now I'm going to add rose lemonade. If I really wanted this layer to stand out from the next, I should have picked a mixer that had more color than this pale pink. But I love rose lemonade, and the contrast between the lemonade and the blood orange simple syrup is dramatic. All that is left is the booze. I'm adding my vodka first. I'm not really measuring all of my ingredients out. I know I want my drink to be about equal parts rose lemonade, vodka, and Prosecco, so I'm just eyeballing it. And now Prosecco. Prosecco and vodka are easily my 2 favorite drinks, so I love adding them together for a cocktail. And here I have my beautiful layered festive cocktail. It's as delicious as it is beautiful. The blood orange syrup sinks to the bottom because it's the heaviest ingredient. And then we have my rose lemonade, vodka, and it's topped with Prosecco. Because it's a cold drink, the heaviest ingredient sinks to the bottom. If this was a hot drink, it would be the reverse. I have a lavender plant growing in my office, so I just grabbed a little sprig and threw in some fresh cranberries. What should I make next? Happy New Year to me! Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of everything we can DIY better.